Hello everyone and welcome to my high quality channel and my high quality music tutorials. I am a professional musician who gets paid, except I don't get paid and I'm not a professional musician. Here I am in FL Studio. This is the professional software. You're gonna have to fork over some dough for this, but you beta male scrubs can't use this. So I'm just going to choose an instrument that I think sounds nice, and I'm going to drag it over here and just do this. Now you don't need to focus on that, but this is where you input your tunes. Usually they look like this, but for this right now we're just doing this. So as you can see, I'm messing with the tunes, and you can see all the editing I'm doing. Let's try and make something nice looking. Here I am just making a tune. I think that sounds somewhat nice. I mean, obviously this isn't professional, but you'll see, it'll be great. It'll be majestic, like leaping lizards galloping as sheep, shawfully shooken as they shooketh a shoe. Okay, so now I'm going to open another file. Here we go, or pattern is the formal word. I'll just throw in some notes in an order here so that we can work on this and make it sound nice. This doesn't sound good, but let's go with it. Okay, so as I'll show you, this is where you put your songs together. You take each of these patterns and put them in a specific order, and that order is how you play them. So they go that one, then that one, and suddenly it's a whole damn song. Like, you know, just all put together. You know, very nice. Very nice. I think I'll add another instrument. Oh yes, the one greatest note. Here we go. Here we go. It is grand. It is final. It is this note. We are doing it. We will do this. It is this note. It sounds glorious. I don't know what happened. Oh god, why are there anime girls? Oh my god, why are there anime girls? There's anime girls on my computer. They won't get off. They're a plague. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? Oh no, anime girls on my computer. But yeah, in here you can change the volumes. Max volume for that one. And you can change the master volume and pan them and all of that. Makes it sound really good. So yeah. Okay, well that has been all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll just make these anime girls line up. And thank you for viewing. Thinking about making a series out of this clearly beautiful series.